ladies and gentlemen. How are you? My name is Ross.
I'm Sarah.
We come from WAYON STONE Group. We are quartz stone and terrazzo stone manufacturer in Yunfu City, Guangdong, China.
Our factory is mainly focused on the quartz stone, marble, and granite since 1982, with 4 major production and processing bases. Every year, we can produce more than 3 million square meters of the quartz stone and terrazzo, specialized in processing the kitchen tops, vanity tops, table tops, cut-to sizes, and engineering.
Talk about the quartz stone first. WAYON quartz stone slab sizes are 3 by 1.4 meter and 3.2 by 1.6 meter, with the thickness from 12, 15, 18, 20, and 30. What's more, WAYON quartz stone is the best choice for kitchen countertops, bathroom vanity top, furniture tabletop, and of course, wall and flooring. Also, we can produce any sizes for different projects to save the wastage for customers.
Okay, Ross, let's start the quartz stone.
Let's go!
Hello, welcome to our showroom. Here is our quartz stone sample wall. Our WAYON quartz stone composes 93% of the quartz sand and 7% of the resin. It's suitable for the wall and the floor, kitchen tops and vanity tops and tabletops. Look, this is our light gray. It is our pure color, WG026. And this one is our pure dark gray.
Oh, I like the pure color most because that's really pure.
Yes, our WAYON quartz stone choose the best quality, so you cannot see the impurity or the watermark on the surface. We also have the pure black and the pure white.
What about the sparkling series?
Here, you can see the black color, the WG217. We also have the brown color, blue color, and the white color, gray color. And most of the customers like this series because it is very shining. You can see our showroom's flooring. So every month we produce more than 3,000 square meters of the quartz tiles to all over the world.
What's the multicolor series?
For the multicolor series, look at this one, WG360. Why we call it multicolor? Because you can see here there are more than 3 colors of the raw material on the surface. It is hot selling in domestic and the Korean market.
Do you have any design looks like natural marble?
Oh yes, follow me please. Here you can see this wall are for the katikata. We have many designs. I want to show you the WG410. This katikata, we have the super white background and the marble lines is lighter. All of the customers like this design because the wings is very natural and they want to fabricate as the bench top or Iceland to be the 45-degree jointing with the waterfall. The marble lines can match together, so it looks very beautiful.
Oh, that's very natural.
Yes.
I think many designers will like this very much.
Yes, that's right. And then another one, I want to show you the WG419. You know, all the black color is difficult to polish, but we use our Italy polish machine, so the glossy of the black katikata is very high. And another one, I want to show you the WG422 and WG401. These 2 katikata, we will have the super promotion for it. If you pay $10,000, you can get $11,000 of the slabs. So now, my colleague Ross will show you the terrazzo.
Okay, let's go. Hello. Let me introduce our another main product, terrazzo. This is our terrazzo showroom. There are over 40 colors here, and that's only a part of our all color. We choose several colors to talk about our terrazzo course. Look at this one. This is ordered by Shanghai Shandai Plaza for wall and flooring. The total area is over 20,000 square meters. And look at the upper one. That's already shipped to Korea for outdoor stay or holiday village. Our client sent us the finished picture. If you want to see, please leave your message. And look at this colorful one here. This is a project from Hong Kong decorate for a bank flooring, cut to 16 by 60 in this project. Of course, we can offer the 18 by 80. And we can cut to any sizes, even fabricate be a same. This color and the same drawing is offered by our American clients. Over 1,000 sets already finished a few months before. What's more, the water absorption of the WAYON terrazzo is 0.19%. So don't worry about the quality. That's really high quality for terrazzo standards. And the hardness is between 4 to 6. What is determined by basis grains. You choose marble or quartz. And do you know Valentino? Valentino grade is covered all their shops all over the world because that the gray terrazzo is become more and more popular. Well, we can copy the colors, any color you want. Just give me the picture and samples. Of course, sample is better to confirm the color, like this one. Also from the Shanghai Shandai Plaza. They want the grain smaller, no problem. That's it. Look at this wall, the special finish surface. The polished one is our regular surface. And this is on surface, and this is fire surface. Water surface. We make the water surface with the strong press to strip the terrazzo surface, but it doesn't break. That's also testified for our terrazzo is strong enough, and the compressive strength is over 100. And this is fire surface. We make it by the fire. That means our terrazzo is inorganic, anti-fire, so it's very safety for outdoors or indoors decoration. If you want to see the test report, please contact us. Okay, time limit. If you want to know more, please know that to contact us. Thank you. Hello, Sarah. Do you have any new design for custom?
Oh yes, look at this, the sample tabletops. For the custom, we have this one, WG470. Yeah, you can see the wings. And this one is the WG412. The Ice Crab series, WG419.
Oh, it's the sample, same like the slab show from the shoe and the Rita.
Oh, yes.
Okay, I see the real slab. That's very beautiful.
Yeah, they have already introduced our new design for the slab. So if you are interested, you can see our another video for the big slab.
That is our first live video.
Yes, that's true. So if customers are interested in our sample, we can send you the small sizes like this. It is for free.
That's for free.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you. Ross, do you have another new terrazzo color to show to us?
Of course, here there is our terrazzo samples. We can copy any color you want, like these two colors that looks very similar. And some clients tell me they don't like the red one. Okay, we take it. This is our small sample. The size is 10 by 10 with the regular thickness 18 or 20 mm. And the slab size of the terrazzo is 3 meter by 1.4. Sarah, it seems that we can do any other sizes.
Yes, for different projects, we can produce the different slabs, something like 2.7 meter by 1.2 meter and 2.4 meter by 60. So different customers, they can cut from different sizes to save the wastage.
Vincent and Anna are already introduced our processing centers. So welcome to visit back the video. And we also certificate with a lot of international organizations.
Oh yes, like the NSF. This is for the US customer. And also the Greenguard.
And we also certificates by the Greenguard Gold for school and the canteen and other space can use our material.
Yes, and the CE. Also, we are the Alibaba Golden member for more than 10 years. So, both our quartz stone and terrazzo quality is guaranteed. Hi Ross, it seems we have the exciting news to our customers.
Yes, we have two promotions. Let me introduce the first one. Here, if you pay $10,000 US, you will get 11,000 production. And the time is during the online Canton Fair, 15th to 24th June.
Oh, so if I pay more, then I can get more, right?
Of course.
Oh, thank you, Ross. So now I will show you our another super promotion. Here, we have 7 items. The classic colors WG123.
What is the sizes for the stock?
Most of the stock are 3 by 1.4 meter and 3.2 by 1.6 meter with the thickness 18 mm to 20 mm and 3 cm.
Any other color for discount?
Sure, we also have the pure colors like the gray one. This is another gray. They are the different grams. Also, these are pure white.
Is the same discount for these two series?
Yes, the same discount. We have 50% off, 50% off.
What about the quantity?
Every color we have about 2 containers in stock, around 200 pieces.
Okay, can we enjoy the double promotion from the first promotion?
Yes, but the time also limit the same as the Ross. It is from 15th to 24th June.
So the time limit. The quantity is also limited.
Yes, if you are interested, you can send an email to me, sarah@wayon.com, or call my WhatsApp or WeChat.
Okay, thank you for your time to see our live show.
Yes, this is the show for today. And we look forward to meeting you in Cotton Fair in October.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.